the induction meeting being conducted to the learners to provide the basic information about how to study, how to avail the leading resources, and how to prepare for the examination, everything. Now, due to this pandemic, we are meeting completely online. In previous years, our session, normally the study center organizes the induction meeting at the study center campus itself. The academics normally from this regional center, we visit to the study center and conduct the induction meeting in face-to-face mode. This was the practice till the last 2019. But now from the year 2020, now everything is going online, that virtually we are meeting here. Even though the strength is more than 500, 400 for this meeting, based on the figures, we have organized this Google meeting. But some of the learners may, if you join very late, they may miss the opportunity to join this virtual meeting. In such circumstances, don't worry. We will send you these recordings to your email ID. You can watch later also. If you have any query also, you can come to us through email. Now we start this induction meeting for the January 2021 session. Indira Gandhi National Open University is one of the largest open university system in the world. In India, it is the only central level open university. There is no other central level open and distance learning university in our country. We have 14 state open universities. That means Tamil Nadu State Open University, run by the state government, that as the study center within the state jurisdiction. But IGNOU, one of the central level open university, functions under the Ministry of Education, Government of India directly. It was established in the year 1985 under Parliamentary Act. IGNOU has study centers across the country. More than 3,000 study centers located in all parts of the country. IGNOU has regional centers, almost 1 or 2 in every state. In Tamil Nadu, we are having 2 regional centers. One is at Chennai, another one is at Madurai. Madurai covers nearly 19 districts, starting from Coimbatore, Ooty, then south parts, Madurai, Dindigul, Trichy, Erode, then Karur, Ramnad, Tanjavur, up to Thoothukudi. We are having the study centers. We at the regional center level, we administer this study center activities in this region. As you all aware that Indira Gandhi National Open University, since from the beginning, it caters to the higher educational needs of millions in the society. Way back in the 1985, when IGNOU was started, IGNOU offered only 2 to 3 programs in management at diploma level. But considering the demand, the number of programs were increased gradually. In the year 2010, IGNOU has offered more than 495 programs. Now, the UGC, Open and Distance Learning Regulations and Online Learning Regulations has come up. Based on the regulations, all the open universities and distance mode universities has to offer the programs after approval by the UGC only. Accordingly, the number of programs has been reshaped. So now we are offering 220 programs in open and distance learning mode, more than 19 programs in online, completely online learning mode. Apart from this, IGNOU provides education in more than 29 countries in abroad. through overseas partnership. The mandate of the IGNOU is to provide inclusive education to everybody in the society. Because in the earlier stage, during the stage of independence, that is 1947, thereafter, we had only limited number of colleges, limited number of universities. In Tamil Nadu, we had this University of Madras, which had jurisdiction up to Andhra, up to Karnataka. Then later on, the number of educational institutions has been growing up. Now we see a very small town, a very little middle town also having the colleges. But during the 1970s, our predecessors or our whoever in that need of higher education during those period, they faced a lot of difficulties. For any higher education, even for want of doing a BA, BCom also, they have to go to the city, or otherwise they have to depend on the correspondence mode of education offered by the Himachal Pradesh University or some other correspondence mode universities. Now this correspondence mode of education is no more. It is again came into the nomenclature open and distance learning mode. This open and distance learning were practiced in the earlier at UK Open University in the 1960s. There the programs offered through open and distance learning mode were more popular because it has created a new arena in the education field. Based on the success of the university in India, 1982, the Andhra Pradesh government has started the Andhra Pradesh Open University, which got more success during those period. Then after, the same Vice Chancellor was invited to be the special officer for IGNOU in 1985. Then he became the Vice Chancellor, Dr. Ram Reddy. Because of Dr. Rami Reddy, this IGNOU has grown manifold and attained several names and fames. The UNESCO declared IGNOU as one of the world's largest open university in the year 2010. Previously, the Commonwealth of Learning, it is the head of office for more than 185 countries. It's located at Canada. It has given many laurels to IGNOU for its quality self-learning material and the catering the student support services to millions of the society. Now, IGNOU has more than 32 million students. This is the only one university in India offers the wide range of programs to all the sections of the society. We offer a lot of programs in agriculture, health science, education, humanities. We have a lot of these kind of programs based on the needs of the society. This is the actual profile of IGNOU. IGNOU headquarters is located at New Delhi. The university, actual university campus is located at Maidan Kargi, New Delhi. It has 21 schools of study at the headquarters, like School of Sciences, School of Health Science, School of Law, School of Humanities. Like that, we are having 21 schools of study. Each school is headed by a director and faculty. There are faculty members at the level of professor, associate professor, and assistant professor. These schools are functioning at the main campus in New Delhi. Actually, these faculties from the schools only, they are the coordinator for the particular program. They conceive this idea, then they invite experts from across the country. They prepare the self-learning material with the help of these experts. Then the program is being launched from New Delhi. IGNOU has 67 regional centers, 56 are regular regional centers. In each state, 1 or 2 is located. Like that, here in the picture, you can see where our regional centers are located. Even in Srinagar, Jammu, Samla, then Hyderabad, Bangalore. In Andhra Pradesh alone, we are having 3: Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam. In Bangalore, Bijapur, then Chennai. Even Kerala, we are having 3 regional centers. In Tamil Nadu, we are having 2 regional centers. So these regional centers are located across the country. 11 regional centers is located at Army, Navy, and Assam Rifles campuses. Then we are having 3,000 study centers across India. Each study center is located in a reputed institution. In our region, we are having study center at 2502 at GRD College of Science, Coimbatore, 2503 Tyagarajar College, Madurai, 2504 Bisapeber College, Trichy, 2507 VOC College, Thoothukudi. Like that, we are having a study center in each and every familiar institutions in that particular district. We offer 200 plus academic programs, 3 million students. We have 37 Gyanvani FM radio stations in almost all parts of the country. In Madurai, we are having 1 Gyanvani radio station in the regional center campus, which provides the educational delivery to the peoples in this area up to 60 kilometers surrounding. Everyday broadcasting is done through this Gyanvani FM radio station. Further, IGNOU has 2 Gyan Darshan television channels of Doordarshan. This 2 channel as the studio at the IGNOU headquarters itself, Electronic Media Production Center, located at the IGNOU campus. It runs this Gyan Darshan television channel on 24/7 basis. You can watch this Gyan Darshan television channel. It's completely a educational delivery media. It offers a lot of live lectures also, teleconferencing also. You can watch these channels free of cost through your cable TV or your DTH. IGNOU is the national coordinator for the Swayamprabha DTH television channels of the Ministry of Education, Government of India. There are 6 channels allocated to IGNOU on each discipline like education, humanities, like that. This Swayamprabha also telecast a lot of educational programs on 24/7 basis, but it will be viewed only through DTH televisions channel. DTH provision, if you have, you can watch at home. IGNOU is the national coordinator for the offering of MOOCs, massive open online courses, under Swayam portal of Government of India. IGNOU runs more than 100 MOOCs program through this Swayam portal. This is completely free. If you want that also, you can enroll. Further, then IGNOU has Gyan Dara web radio. This is completely a web-based radio, where the learner, if misses any live the broadcast, they can listen it later through accessing the recordings from website 24/7 basis in all this. That facility also we are offering. Then all the student services, student support services are run through IGNOU website. Mostly you can access a lot of information, learning resources, video lessons, then podcast, everything you can access through the IGNOU website. We have a separate portal, iGram portal, to receive the queries from learners. If you have any grievances, there are more than 50-55 grievances type. You can just input your enrollment number and select the grievances. And if you post with this portal, within 7 days, your query will be addressed by the concerned department. Then we have all the portfolios of students through electronic form. The student, once after for admission, they can visit online admission portal. They can enroll through online admission portal. Then for accessing their registration details. They can go to the IGNOU website and access their details by giving their enrollment number and program code. Then they can see their selected course codes there. Then download the assignments, fill the exam form through online mode, download the ID card, download the all ticket, then exam schedules, the study center contact informations, the counseling class schedules, teleconferencing schedules. All these informations are made available in the website of IGNOU for the benefit of the students. IGNOU faculty, at least once in the program cycle or session, they may come online through this teleconferencing mode in the Gyan Darshan television channel. This schedule also made available to you in the website. You will receive SMS. You can take part in the teleconferencing sessions. You can ask your queries through telephone with the experts during that live session. IGNOU has 6 regional evaluation centers. In Tamil, South India, we are having the regional evaluation center at Cochin. All your exam papers will go to these evaluation centers. Then the evaluators under this regional evaluation center, they will take care of the evaluation process. The admission is online, re-registration is online, exam form submission is online, convocation submission is online, everything is completely online nowadays. That I am going to explain at the end of this PPT, one by one through the website also. Here, the academic programs. Now we are conducting this online induction meeting for the semester-based students as well as certificate and PG certificate students alone, because their admission is completely end for the January 2021 session. But the admission for the remaining programs like yearly mode programs, non-semester programs, that is still continuing. So we will be conducting a next induction meeting for such students, because your admission is now over. Now you have to start your study. That's why we are conducting this induction especially for you. IGNOU offers admission twice in a year. One is at January, another one is at July. Likewise, examination is conducted twice in a year. One is June, another one is December, all over the country. So you should keep in mind whether you have joined in September or whether you have joined in February or January, you leave it. But you should keep it in mind that whether you belong to January 21 session or July 21 session, that you should keep in mind, because your registration validity is based on the session only. So since you are all joined for the January 2021 session, you have to check the registration details. Accordingly, you have to act. The certificate program is minimum 6 months. You have joined this program by paying the fee for the entire program, but your program validity is only for 6 months. However, in the distance education methodology, a learner joining a particular program will be given flexibility of maximum duration up to a period, so that if by chance a learner misses or unable to complete the program within the specified time frame, he can avail the maximum duration without payment of any fee. But you need to pay only exam fee whenever you are taking the examination. You can avail up to maximum 2 years for your certificate program. Kindly note that once you joined for a certificate program, within minimum 6 months you can complete the program, or otherwise you can avail the benefit up to 2 years. For this, you need not pay any program fee again, but only whenever you are taking the examination, you have to pay the examination fee alone. This is your choice. So accordingly, you have to plan your study. In some cases, like a degree in BCA or MCA, even some PG diploma programs, they are having semester pattern. In such cases, for PG diploma, we provide 1 year minimum duration and maximum 3 years. Here also same case, that degree BCA or MCA or MBA, MBA banking finance, then PG diploma in management programs, everything, even PG certificate, it applies 6 months, 2 years. The degree BCA, MCA, PG diploma or management whatsoever, they have to check their prospectus. Then they also, for every semester, they have to re-register through online mode. Now you are in the first semester. You might have registered for the courses belonging to the first semester alone. If you want to continue the second semester, you have to take re-registration for the July 2021 session. For that purpose, the portal will be opened by the end of May. You have to visit the website and apply for re-registration. That means you are paying the fee for the particular semester. Then after, if you want to continue the second semester, you will be paying the fee. Like that, the system is maintained. We offer PG degree, diploma, even awareness level program of 3 months also. The PhD and MPhil programs are offered by the IGNOU headquarters at the schools. This is the program, the validity duration in IGNOU. You should keep in mind, many people, they join the IGNOU program. Once after they joining, they forget everything. After 2 years, they may come, whether what can I do? Or after 3 years, they may come, or after 6 years, they may come. So in order to avoid such a last minute issue, you should keep in mind, you should plan your study accordingly and complete the program within the minimum duration. This is the learning method, the map in IGNOU. Here, if you see the headquarter offers n number of the services to the learners. Once you joined the program, if you opted print-based learning material, hard copy, you will receive print material by post from the headquarter. So in certain cases, the learners might have often opted the digital materials. In such a case, they are getting 15% discount from the program fee. In such a case, you need to go and download the print digital material from the IGNOU website, eGyanKosh website. That also I will be explaining to you. This is the material, self-learning materials is more and more important to you. Once you join, you will receive this material. Then this television, I already explained to you that Gyan Darshan television channels and Swayam Prabha channels continuously offering all the educational delivery. We provide mobile applications to learners. Even the print, the digital materials can be accessed through IGNOU e-content application also. That you just go to the smartphone, opening the Google Play application, you can simply type IGNOU e-content. Then you can select your program and download your study material. This is very easy when compared to accessing the material from website. Then IGNOU has a separate student mobile application also. For this purpose, you need to go to the IGNOU website and select student zone. There you can find this IGNOU mobile app. You download it and input your enrollment number and program code, log in. Then you will receive all the information through this mobile application. Then teleconferencing we are offering, radio programs we are offering. We provide a lot of services through internet. That is, our website is the major resource, mega resource to the learners. Now, during this pandemic, the faculties from the IGNOU headquarters and our counselors from the study centers have started live lectures to the students. Even we conduct live counseling sessions virtually to the students. That information will reach you once you join this Facebook and select Indira Gandhi National Open University and follow the page. You will get updates every day. Then Swayam Prabha explained, Gyanvani, Gyan Darshan explained. Gyandhara is a web radio. You can access this from IGNOU website. We have mobile e-learning terminal developed by the IIT Kanpur. With this van, we are having this van at Madurai Regional Center. With this, this has more than 50 laptops and a television with the dish antenna. Anywhere you can take this van to the even hill area also. You can access directly internet. Then through the e-learning methodology, we can access course materials and we can conduct the lessons also in the any remote places. This was the facility for this available with this mobile e-learning terminal. We are each student once joining, they'll be allotted to the study center. Your study center code, for example, if you joined 43076, that study center belongs to Born Secure College for Women, Tanjavur. Like that, each study center having a number. Accordingly, you have to keep in mind. This is printed in your ID card also. Each study center offers headed by a coordinator and assisted by staff members from that particular college. The coordinator, once they receive the student information, they prepare the counseling sessions, either face-to-face or online mode. Then they announce the schedule in the IGNOU RC Madurai website. Once the schedule is announced, you will get a SMS by email. Then you can take part in the online counseling sessions. This why this counseling also I explained to you. Then study centers having the library facility. Even IGNOU website also having the online library facility. You can register there. You can access the library books there. Then telecounseling. This if you want any query, you can ask the study center through telephonic mode also. Now this due to this pandemic, the colleges are closed. Mostly the telephone numbers are not in operation, but you can continue to raise any query or any doubts through these emails of the study center as well. Then in certain study centers, we are having the lab facilities, hands-on experience and skill training facilities also. Wherever the lab component is involved, the study center will arrange the lab counseling sessions. Then according to the schedule, the student has to participate in the lab experiments. The practicals will be conducted at selective study centers based on the attendance of the learners. In theory, face-to-face counseling, attendance is not mandatory. If you have any doubt or query, you can participate and get all the information through these counseling sessions. But in lab experiments or lab practical sessions, wherever it is involved, you need to participate. Minimum 70% or 75% attendance is mandatory, especially for the all the programs, all the lab components. We maintain the attendance. Based on the attendance only, the learners will be allowed for the taking the final term end examination. Otherwise, they will not qualify for the term end practical examination. This is not applicable for you. Then how to study in the IGNOU. This is more and more important to you because we provide self-learning materials which acts as a teacher. The self-learning materials has been prepared by experts from leading universities in India. The learning material alone sufficient to learn the particular courses. When you go through it, you have to read page by page. The structure I will be showing you in the next slide of self-learning material. This self-learning material is as the inbuilt capacity of teacher. So without coming to the college, in the distance mode, you can learn freely at your workplace or in home with the help of these self-learning materials. Now it is available in digital form also. Whether you want Even if you are having the hard copy, if you want soft copy also, you can visit and download from the website. You can learn through your mobile phone also when you are in travel or when you are in workplace, wherever, anywhere learning can happen. Then audio video lessons. Earlier we provide cassettes to every study center. They display this the video lessons are displayed at the study centers to the students during holidays. Now technology has grown many level. These cassettes are now become obsolete. Now everything is available in the YouTube. You just go to the IGNOU YouTube channel and see the select the Indira Gandhi National Open University YouTube channel. Then if you once you subscribe, you will receive all notification about the video lessons. We are having lot of more than 500 video lessons are available in that YouTube channel. You can go and select based on your course code. You can watch the video lesson. Then academic counseling sessions, I explained, because once you go through the self-learning materials, you may have a lot of doubts. In order to clarify your doubts, the counselors approved by the IGNOU are available at the study center. The counselors are the faculties from the major educational institutions in that particular area, even from the host institution of the study center. They offer this counselings, academic counseling to the learners to clarify their doubts, and also giving advice on how to write assignments and how to take part in the practical sessions. Everything is carried out through the academic counseling sessions at the study center. Teleconferencing, the schedules are made available in the IGNOU website from time to time. You can even you will receive SMS also. You accordingly you can take part in the teleconferencing session for your program if it is conducted by the headquarters. Then webcasting also we conduct. Facebook live sessions are being conducted. Now from this first week of May onwards, there may be a possibility of a lot of Facebook live sessions from the headquarters. This information will come through you through website. You can at least once in 2 days you can visit to the IGNOU website, and I will show you the page where you can access this the information for this accessing the schedules. Also the once you like the IGNOU Facebook page, you will receive this information through your mobile. Then practical field work, internship, project, certain programs having the practical, certain programs like BSW, MSW, PG diploma counseling, this has field work component. That field work, according to the field work journal, you have to take part in the field work and submit the report. Then internship, for example, MA psychology program, which has internship. Then certain other programs having the training component, certificate in NGO management. Then majority of the programs having project component, like MBA having the project in the MS 100, MBA banking and finance, they are having the project. Even BCA, MCA programs, the project exists, which is mandatory to them. Even this the program like consumer care, that also having the project. One course is completely a project. So according to the instructions available in your program guide, you need to carry out this project or field work. There are separate manuals also exist in the website for this purpose. You need to download, and according to the instructions, you have to carry out these activities. Here we follow credit pattern. 1 credit is equal to 30 hours of study, which means that the activity you are involving, the reading, the self-learning material, taking part in the counseling sessions, the watching video lessons, and writing assignments, everything comprising all the information. That means for a credit, you need to spend 30 hours altogether. If normally every course, not every program, every course, Each course may have 2 credit or 4 credit, normally 4 credit. 4 credit means 4 into 30 hours, 120 hours. For that particular course alone, you need to spend. Normally in certificate programs, minimum 3 courses exist. If it is 3 courses, 3 into 120, you have to spend. So accordingly, you have to plan your study. This is the structure of self-learning material. This is the self-learning material. Each program has courses. Each courses as course codes. Then courses, each course has the study material as per the format of block. Then block divided into unit, unit divided into section. Section is having the subsections. Like that, the structure is maintained. At the end of each unit, you will have a self-assessment questions. This is for your self-practice only. This has no awards, but practicing the self-assessment questions will help you to write the assignments and determine the examinations. Then academic counseling, why it is important? It is more and more important activity to the learner because you are new to this particular system as well as to the program. You need a lot of information so that these academic counselors will help you to maintain the profiling in study as well as in what way you can get success in the ODL mode. That's why the help of the academic counselor is more and more important. It is a very key to the success of your learning. Participation in the counseling sessions of theory is not mandatory, but it helps you to overcome your problem during the study. So we advise you to take part in the counseling sessions if it is conducted through online for your particular program. We also share the online counseling sessions of other regional centers also, because in all over the India, many study centers start offering these counseling sessions through online. In such a case, we will send you the information so you can participate through Google Meet with that counseling sessions also. Wherever the possible, we conduct based on the availability of counselors and as per our norms, we conduct the counseling sessions at the study centers. This information also will made in the available in the IGNOU RC Madurai website and communicated to you. The participation in counseling session helps you to enhance your learning capacity and communication from learner to counselor and back from counselor to learner is more and more important in this system of study to analyze the individual problem and solve their queries with regard to their study. So communication, not only in regular mode of education, that is you are studying in the college or university, in distance mode, the communication is more and more important. So so that the counselor will understand your issues and solve your problem in time. Then tutoring, this counseling is normally not a teaching method or a lecturing method. It is a tutoring as well as counseling mix mode. Here tutoring is basically a course centric. Counseling happens from the based on your the query to the counselor. Accordingly, the counselor will react to you. The interaction between the counselor and students will help you to get the explanations, illustration, demonstration, presentation, and other activities related to your pedagogy. Taking part in the counseling sessions means that you will be coming to know what are your fellow learners in that group. So you can, during the counseling session, you can make discussion with your fellow learners also to understand the course structure and how to proceed with the studies and how to complete the examination in time, how to write assignments, everything. Actually, the counselor will give a lot of advice and discuss on the subject matter during the counseling sessions. Here, we have the norms for conducting the counselings. Now, last 1.5 years, we are conducting everything through online mode only. Because of closure of colleges, all things are happening through online mode. Earlier we had for a 2 credit course, we conduct 3 sessions. Each session is of 2-hour duration. Like that for 8 credits, 4 credits, everything. The sessions will be arranged by the study center. If the number of students participation, that is attendance, is below 10 for a session, first session, then the remaining sessions will be regulated based on the number of based on the attendance of students. Only intensive counseling, that means only 40% of the sessions will be carried out by the study center. Now the new regulations have come up. According to the new norms, we conduct online mode of counseling for a particular state, combining the both regional centers, Chennai and Madurai together. If the number of students is more than 200 in a study center for a particular program, then the study center will decide the counseling sessions, whether to face-to-face or online mode, everything. But in such a, if it is the case where in the whole state, the student strength is below 200 for a particular program, then the combined counseling session for both the RCs will be held in a particular identified LSC. This will be decided by a consultative meeting with both the regional centers through online. Then after, we request the particular study center where the number of learners are more to conduct the online sessions. This schedule is also made to you available. Then practical sessions, it is normally of 4 hours duration each session. You need to refer the practical manual or lab manual available to you before participation in the practical sessions. Here attendance is compulsory, minimum 70 to 75%. Otherwise, you will not be permitted to take part in the term end practical examination. You need to always keep in contact with your study center for getting the schedule of the practicals. Normally, these practical are conducted by combining the students from nearby study centers where the majority of strength exists. There we will be conducting the practical sessions. Then fieldwork, internship projects. You check your program guide, then go through it. Accordingly, you decide what to do based on the instructions available thereon. Then if you have any doubts, you can consult with your counselor for availing the guide and also for carrying out the project. Normally, before taking the project, the student has to prepare a synopsis about their research, and that synopsis is to be submitted as per the address given in your program guide, whether it is to regional center or headquarter. That address you have to check. Then after synopsis approval only, you have to go for the carrying out the final project. The final project also, you need to check where to submit, whether it is to headquarter or regional center. Based on the information available in your manual only, you have to go ahead. Here for BCA, MCA, normally the project synopsis or project is to be submitted to the regional center only. This information also will be time by time we inform to you through your study center. For MBA programs, the synopsis, once you opted the MS 100 course, you may have to do the MBA synopsis. Then this synopsis is to be submitted to the IGNOU headquarters, School of Management Studies. Then after their approval, you will be given project number. Then within the time frame, you have to submit this project to the SOMS IGNOU. Then this information I have given, this necessary guidance if required, you can consult with your coordinator also. Then in what way the assessment and evaluation is taking place at IGNOU? We are having a 3-tier system in this regard. One is self-assessment questions at the end of each unit, which do not form any basis to your final evaluation, but this practicing the SAQ help you to understand the course component in better manner. Then for in IGNOU system, every course code has one assignment. These assignment questions are made available in the IGNOU website. The certificate program students, semester students, you can directly go to the IGNOU website and student zone. There is a tab assignment. You click it and select your program. only current session assignment is to be downloaded. If it is applicable for January 21 session, you download it, and this, based on the question paper, you can start writing the assignments. This is, I like you are writing the final examination. You get the A4 white papers or ruled papers. You start writing the assignments based on the questions, assignment questions available in the website. You prepare it. Then the process of submission also, I will let you know in the coming slides. Then you submit these assignments with your study centers. Now the last date for submission of assignment has been extended up to 31st May 2021 for the learners taking term end examination June 2021. All the certificate semester mode students are eligible for taking the examination in June 2021 session. I don't know whether the examination will be happening within the June or not, but it may get postponed, likely to postpone also. But you need to be ready because this assignment submission carries almost 25% to 30% weightage in your final awards, that is final results. So very, very careful that assignments, you immediately, once after this meeting, you download from the website. Even if you have not received the books also, you go to the digital book repository and download your course materials and start reading. Then after, write the assignments. It is actually a reflection of your reading, and based on that, you will be referring your study material at your home, and also you are referring the other relevant reading material from library, online library, or other any resources that you are reflecting everything through these assignments. This assignment is an internal component. So be careful that write the assignments and submit within the schedule. The assignment submission instructions also made available in the IGNOU website. That also I am showing you. Then after, term and examination. Examination, I told you earlier, conducted 2 times in a year, June and December. Even if it is postponed also, the session is same, June 2021. But only the month may vary. But the thing is, you are eligible for June 2021 TEE. That application, online application for this examinations will be opened on the IGNOU website. So far it is not open. It may be opened in the next week, likely. You have to apply online. Then you have to keep the acknowledgement. Only you have to check the IGNOU website or schedules of examination. You may select any exam center as per your choice. Even if you are from Madurai, you can select the exam center at Coimbatore also. Yeah, that is that provision we are providing, flexibility we are providing to every learner. So you can select any exam center as per your choice. You can give 3 choice in the online exam application portal. Then apply in time as per the schedule and download the schedules from the website. And before starting up the examination, at least 10 days before, the all tickets will be released in the website. Only you have to keep in mind, you have to go to the website and download your all ticket. So here in the distance mode, everything is now coming through online mode. Majority they sending letters through post or giving advices through telephone always is not possible. Because the learner strength is more and more maximum in this particular methodology. That's why the study center also, some study centers, they are having more than 200, 600 students. In such a case, they cannot make calls to every individuals. They may send bulk emails, or they may request you through the SMS also. This smart facility only now exists. So you need to be very careful as a learner. You are always, you need to visit the IGNOU website at least once in a month to and the updates. It is the assignments. It is normally tutor marked assignments. It is integral and compulsory for each theory course. The learner has to write the assignment and submit it to the study center before the TEE, but as per the schedule. Now the schedule last date is 31st May. It carries the weightage of 25 to 30% because you are getting more than 25% marks from the assignment alone. Then after only for 75% marks, you will be taking the examination, term end examination. So there is a scope that if you score more than 90%, then if you make an average in the theory paper at the examination, you will qualify for the pass. So the assignment component is more and more important for the distance education programs. The questions are of various types, maybe objective or essay type, short answer, or problem solving exercises, and many more. But according to the type of the question, you have to choose your answer and reflect your answer for the assignments. The same pattern will normally exist in the term end examination also. For this purpose, there are past question papers are available in the IGNOU website. You can download it and refer it. The assignments will be more accurate. Here we insist every learner do not copy or do not purchase online. This this will be making a complete futile to the system. So you genuinely take part in the self-study and reflect your thoughts in the assignments, your feedback in the assignments, and submit original reflection to your study center so that you will be ready for the term end examination based on the assignment preparation. So once you submit the assignments with the study center, they will evaluate and award the marks. They can offer the comments in the comment sheet to you also. So more and more careful with the assignment submission. These assignments are available under IGNOU website Student Zone. Then how to download and write the assignments. You first check your registration details of the IGNOU website and check what are the courses you have opted. Then based on that, you select the assignments. Only current session assignment is to be downloaded from this particular link. Then write in preferably A4 size paper, avoid plastic wrappers, everything. But every assignment must contain a top sheet. You go to the Google and search IGNOU assignment top sheet. A separate page will come. That also I'll show you, which contains the information like your name, that details you can fill up after taking printout and submit to the study center, preferably with a copy of your identity card, so that the study center will check your information, then they will send it to the evaluators. This is a part of continuous evaluation. That means by writing the assignments, you are making yourself ready for the term end examination and you are well ascertained with your course components. So to assess this only, this assignment is given to you. Then the counselor will give you a feedback on assignments. This feedback will help you to comprehend your subject content better and overcome your problems during the study and also improve your performance for the term end examination. The procedure for preparation of the assignment and its guidelines is very much available in every program guide. Even in the assignment also, first 2 pages may contain lot of instruction. You read it one by one, but follow the timeline. Keep photocopy of assignment with you always, so that later if you have any problem also, you can consult with your study center. But once you submit with the study center, you can ask the study center to send the acknowledgement by email within 2 to 5 days, so that the study center, once they receive, you can ask them by phone or email to send the acknowledgement. They will send it to you. This was the submission of assignment. This clear instruction and circular is made available in the RC Madurai website. This also again the same, that written assignment must contain the top sheet compulsorily. The top sheet contain all your information, your name, enrollment number, study center, for what examination session you are going to submit the assignment, and for what course you are submitting the assignment. Also enclose the student ID card copy. That will help the study center to check your details online. Then accordingly they will send the assignments to the evaluators at the study centers. You can use the speed post or courier, because the current situation is totally a hectic one, but we advise need not come to the study center. Study center also closed. The faculties are working from home in every colleges. So without disturbing them, you just post your study assignments availing the speed post or courier nearby to you. You put all the assignments that you are writing 5 course assignment, means you put all the 5 assignments together, pack it, completely sanitize it, then write the study center address, phone number, everything. You send it by courier. That is the better option. If you have any specific issues, you can come online in this meeting also. I will let you know. Then study center contact address details, phone numbers, email IDs, everything is available under this website, rcmadurai.ignou.in, and click the study center tab. Once you download this information, you can keep it with your mobile number so that you can anytime you can use this facility. If you have any specific query, you can contact the coordinator, but they are the faculty of regular colleges. They may have a lot of work. They may have time for you only during the evenings or in the very holiday, mid of the holiday only. So accordingly, you have to choose your time and call them, but don't unnecessarily disturb them, repeating the small questions, unnecessary questions like that. Your questions should be always very crisp. Preferably, we advise you to email your questions to the coordinator or regional center. Email is being addressed on a everyday basis, both LSCs as well as regional center. This is the better option to you. Online exam form, you just go to the IGNOU website. There, the announcement will come, exam.ignou. Otherwise, you can click the register online tab. Then you can check the exam ignou.ac.in. For each paper, that is each course code, you need to pay rupees 150. This is also completely online. You need to pay. That term examination is conducted twice in a year. Then re-registration. This is not applicable to certificate program students, but for semester-based students, the re-registration applies. Many students might have joined in the MBA program or PG diploma in management or MCA, BCA, like that programs. Once you are joining in the first semester program only, of your program only right now. If you want to register for the courses belonging to the second semester, or third semester, or second year, third year, like that, you need to apply with the online re-registration portal accordingly, because it is an inbuilt system. The system itself retrieves your admission data and the course options, what is your previous year courses, everything. Based on this, you can select your the course codes for the subsequent semesters per year. Accordingly, you need to pay the fees at the online. Once you make everything in the online portal, you will receive the acknowledgement, then SMS, email, everything. Based on this re-registration data, regional center and the study center will contact you for the further process. The same again, counseling, then practical required, then assignment writing, examination, everything. The process is same, but you keep in mind you are in the first semester right now. The query resolving mechanism, because this system has large number of students, even each regional center having more than 3,000, 5,000 students in Delhi or in majority of the cities, metro cities. The student strength at a regional center is more than 1 lakh also in Delhi. In certain study centers, the strength of the students alone for a session is more than 15,000 also. In such cases, addressing the queries to the learners is a major challenge. For this purpose, IGNOU has evolved latest ICT technologies. For every query or communication, your 10-digit enrollment number and your program code is mandatory. With this information only, we can retrieve your information online. We will address your concern and we will give advice or whatever so required for you. Always you can, if you have any query, you can write to RC Madurai at ignu.ac.in. You can make use of iGram portal depending on your necessity. Then there are formats for changing of study center. You can change the study center or regional center. This has no fees. You can request the fee receipt, but the fee receipt is generated online. ID card you need to download by logging into the student portal. Then for this address change, regional center change, or the course or elective change, normally the elective changes are permitted only within 40-45 days from the date of admission. So otherwise it will not be permitted. For this, the certain fees would apply: medium change, migration certificate, name change, etc. So accordingly, you need to contact the study center. There are formats exist in the websites. You simply search in the Google, you can download the relevant formats. Visit us at IGNOU RC Madurai at the Facebook. We are always available at the Facebook. We provide all the information through Facebook. Download IGNOU application, IGNOU e-content application. There are certain programs which has academic counseling supports or web-enabled support completely through this VIAS portal of IGNOU, WEAS, Web-Enabled Academic Support. For example, some of the programs like certificate in water harvesting, that is completely maintained through this VIAS portal. In such a case, you need not require the contact with study center. You have to contact only through this portal by registration. You will be given all the information through this portal. Even the BSc students, they can also access the information like video lessons, then assignment questions, discussion forum, everything through this VIAS portal. We are having a Google Classroom application. That email has been sent to all the learners. Kindly download Google Classroom app from the Google Play Store. Then you input the passcode, that code number given to you in the email in that particular application. Once you log in, on everyday basis or every week basis, I upload all the information through this Google Classroom. You can get in latest updates. Also, if you have any questions, also you can write in the comments or posts, so that I will come to know the information platform. So better you join with the Madurai. This is the website front page of IGNOU. Here you can directly www.ignou.ac.in. You can go to this student support, then select student zone. Then under student zone, you have a lot of information, that registration details. Once you log in, you will find all the information. For online registration, here the tab exists, the program related details and course details, admission announcement, admission, re-admission information, then forms, credit transfers, then queries, number of types of queries available, then downloads, the assignments, question papers, prospectus, study materials, everything, library, you can register there, result checking through online only. Your grade card will appear in online. Kindly note, here, once after completing the entire program only, you will receive hard copy of the grade card or certificate. Before that, for every semester or every year, no such certificates or grade cards will be issued. Everything is completely online only. You need to visit the website only. Assignment checking, everything is completely online. We request every learner to follow some best practices, maintain a diary for your program, then read your program guide once or twice, go through your study material, read, rethink, recover. Visit always IGNOU website and RC Madurai website once in a week. Visit eGyanKo's website for downloading study material, or otherwise download IGNOU e-content application. Counseling sessions you attend at the study center. YouTube video lessons, you check it at the IGNOU website, otherwise in the Google Classroom app also. We will be sharing all the information on YouTube video lessons conducted by many other LSCs or RCs. Attendance for practical is must. You need to follow the attendance. If you miss the schedule, you have to wait for the next semester. In certain cases, you have to pay the penalty fees also. Submit assignments within the schedule. It is mandatory component. Then application submission for term and examination is completely online. Download ID card. Keep it the ID card with you always for availing all the services. For attending the examination at the exam centers, ID card plus all ticket is mandatory. IGNOU ID card alone permitted. Otherwise, you will not be permitted. Online library, you can use it. Question papers, then library, then participate in the interactive radio counseling sessions of Gyanvani. Whenever that sessions happens, you will receive information. You can take part through the telephone also. Follow us through this Facebook and other social media. This what about the information on this online interaction meeting. We have covered only the basic information of this IGNOU programs and how to study the with the IGNOU. Here I can show you that how to check your registration details. Is this screen visible? That you go to the student zone, select the student zone, open it. Then you can download this IGNOU mobile app directly. There the registration status. Then you check it, this registration status. I am showing you, yes, example. Select your program code, then this CAPTCHA always change for every 10 seconds. So you have to apply accordingly. Then click submit. There is a net connectivity is very slow, or there may be a server issue. It's not opening. That you check it. Here you will find the information on your course registration, everything. You read and refer your program guide based on the information available. If you have any, you observe all the information that your name is correct, spelling is correct, date of birth, address, everything you have to check. If anything variation, you may address your query with your enrollment number, program code to the regional center Madurai by email for such correction. This is the eGyancourse website. Just you put in Google eGyancourse, you will go to this website. You can see IGNOU Facebook live recorded videos, self-learning materials, SWAYAM course content, IGNOU YouTube videos, then program-wise, this for honors degree courses, then general degree courses. If you have difficulty in finding the particular the course booklet, you can simply search here, that MS100, I am searching here, and MS100, that particular that booklet will come here, that you can click it and download it. Like that, you can use this information. Also, for downloading assignment, go to the IGNOU website and click assignments under student zone. Then the list of programs under their assignments will come. For example, if you want to download the assignments for CCP program, just Control F, CCP, then CCP exists here. Then January 21, Hindi assignment, English assignment. English, if you want, click. Only January 21, you have to download. You download this. Here, lot of information is been given that where to submit, how to submit, everything. You just go through it. Each question has marks. This accordingly, you have to prepare your assignment responses and submit to the study center. Here, if you type ignoonline.ac.in, you will find a separate website. Here, you can access this eGyan course, educational broadcast, even through your mobile phone. Gyan Dara. You can access the information there. Or the Gyan Darshan, virtual class sessions, everything you can access here. So, once you practice, this will come to you that simply search the assignment. If you are unable to find the assignment in the IGNOU website, for example, if you want the assignment of any particular course, also for example CBS assignment IGNOU 2021, I am just searching. Here lot of websites may come, but you need to check only this kind of website, web services ignou.ac.in. So these are all fake website, but this is the original website of IGNOU. You will get the link from here, or you can search the course code straight away. Also, you can find this web services or IGNOU website related links. So download it from at your comfort in the home. So this is the website of RC Madurai. You can check all the information. If any students opted Tamil medium for the CFN program, Certificate in Food and Nutrition, their assignments Tamil version is available here. The instructions for submission of assignments for your program, that here, the fourth one, you can just check it. The circular is displayed here. You can go through it once. This is the circular given by this. What the procedure you have to follow for writing the assignments. Then links are downloading, everything is given, the contact details, then how to submit assignments in time with your study center. This is the contact particulars. If you have any doubt, you can call them in the evening 4 to 5 or 5 to 6. You maintain your time. Then this is the email IDs. You can contact your study center. First, check your study center code in the registration details. Then for correspondence, your enrollment number and program code is mandatory. Otherwise, you may not get suitable reply in time. So follow this process. Before that, you read all this information once from the circular. Then if any update on counseling or other services, you can check the particular tab for counseling schedules. If you check, we will upload once after finalizing the counseling sessions here under January 2021 session. Then the email also will be sent to you. Here, a lot of information has been given how to check your material dispatch details. If you opted the hard copy, you just check it so that you will find the speed post number. Then go to the speed post online website, then track your parcel. Like that, all the informations are available here. You can make use of this. The study center, the complete details are available. What are the programs are active in that particular study center? Then who is in charge there? What is their email ID, address of the study center? Everything is provided here. So we have 19 study centers under RC Madurai. So this was the basic information. For any time, if you want to refer your prospectus, you can just go through the website and download the prospectus and see all the information relating to your program. It is better always keep in handy the program guide so that you will be familiar with that particular program. This was the information I can share with you. In this particular system, that every session we are enrolling more than 2,000, 3,000 learners. The time schedule for examination, assignment submission, conduct of counseling is to be very, very limited. So within the time frame we have to conduct. So normally all the communications happens through the emails. You check your emails at least once in 2 days. Keep the email application in your mobile phone. Accordingly, you can check the email and check the informations or updates with this email correspondence. Whenever you require, you can. I am sending you already sent the information relating to Google Classroom. If you have any specific question, you can come to that platform also. We'll be ready to address your queries. Always use the email ID of RC Madurai for all correspondence. This is what we can say here in this system. Systematic plan of study and time management, commitment, these are all more and more important. Only creative thinkers will survive in this with the higher education. So always boost your creativity for the futuristic perspective. We advise you to follow the safety norms prescribed by the government during this pandemic. So you maintain all your health safety at your home and workplace and keep happy learning to everyone. Thank you to all the learners. Now I request our regional directors are to come online to address our students because our director Sam sir was busy with some other work just now. Sir has come back. I request the director sir to address the students. Then after, our esteemed coordinators from the study centers, they are also online now. They will be addressing you one by one. After that, we will be taking your queries through this chat box as well as online for just 10 to 15 minutes. Please.
Hello. Am I audible? Good morning, all of you, sirs, coordinators. This is a very unfortunate situation. Last year scene is repeated. Scene reconstruction is going on. Very unfortunate. But we should not bend ourselves before the situations. As I told you last year, we have to make every hurdle as an opportunity only. We won't go back. We are with you and you are with us. With this hope, we will continue to serve the student community. Just now, my learned colleague, Dr. Anbalagan, has explained each and everything. I don't take much of your time. I would like to say only, wish you all the best. As explained by him, if you have any doubt, we are here to answer within half an hour through email, rcmadurai@igno.ac.in. If anybody wants to talk personally, they can note down my mobile number. It is 9441 929218. I repeat, 9441 929218. 9218. But one humble request, I am not fluent in Tamil. I can understand if you talk in Tamil. I can reply only in English. Kindly keep this in your mind, and we are all here to help you. Wish you all the best. I thank you all the coordinators who have shared their time with us. I remain here. Thank you all.
Mic cut. Thank you, sir, for your nice words. Because now, during the last 1 week, the offices of IGNOU as well as regional centers are closed due to this current situation. Even our study centers, also the coordinators, they are functioning from home because of this pandemic situation. Colleges are under closure, but we are continuing the services to the learners through online. This is what happening. Hope all the learners will understand the situation. During the last 1 week, we at IGNOU headquarters, we have lost 4 lives. It is very sad to say that 4 lives succumbed with the COVID-19 pandemic within the last 2 to 3 days. Even the deputy director of Vice Chancellor has lost his life day before yesterday. So, amidst this situation, you all stay well at your home and be safe. And any concern you can address through your email of RC Madurai. We will be there for you to help you in all your endeavor. Now I request our coordinator one by one, please come online and address the learners, please. Professor Dr. Ilangovan from the Study Center 2503, Tyagarajar College, Madurai. Please come online. The next coordinator, Dr. Geeta Madam from 2502. If it is okay. Next, our study center from 2504 coordinator will continue to speak after Dr. Ilangovan. Sir, Dr. Ilangovan, sir, please come on.
Yes, sir, please, sir. Respected director, sir, and respected regional director, sir, and the functionaries of IGNOU Regional Center Madurai, and my dear students, friends. Very good afternoon to all. It gives immense pleasure to meet you through this online. Though this is the pandemic situation, our dedicated director and dedicated regional director making an arrangement to meet us through the induction meeting through this online mode. Thank you very much, sir, for arranging such a wonderful meet. And Dr. Anbalagan sir narrated everything for the past 45 minutes to 1 hour about the functions of IGNOU and how we have to reach the IGNOU and to get all the help to pursue our education. The students, friends, please follow all the instructions given by our regional director and the assistant regional director, Dr. Anbalagan sir. And everything is given in the IGNOU website, www.ignou.ac.in, and the RC website, RC Madurai. You can go through all these things. In spite of all these things, if you have any doubts and you can get any assistance, you can contact us. Our regional, our learner support center, Tyagarajar College, is the India's. It is aggregated with A++ in the NAC, as like our IGNOU also aggregated with the NAC in A++ in the Indian grade, national grade, and our institution, Tyagarajar College, is in the NIRF ranking is the 22nd ranking in around the country, 22nd college in the country. So our management and the principal and all the academic council in the Tyagarajar College are ready to extend their full support to you and at every time. So you, the students, you can utilize their expertise in their field, and their academic counselors, all the professors in the colleges, they are ready to help you in all possible ways. Please get their assistance by contact them, the academic council number and their email IDs are given in our regional center website. Make use of them. And if you have any doubt, you can contact us, and we are ready to help you in all possible ways, especially in the assignment mode. If you have the doubt in to write the assignments and try to pursue your projects and do the practicals, we are ready to help you in all possible ways. Our study center, Tyagaraja College, and the academic counselors, the professors in the colleges are ready to help you, and the library for the library facilities and computational facilities and the online mode or in the offline mode, we are ready to help you. Please try to approach us through online or offline. We are ready to help you. As per the direction given by the director and the assistant director and the headquarters, we are ready to render all possible helps, even in the pandemic situation. The plenty of library books are available. There are more than 1 lakh books are available in our college library, and our system, the computer center will have more than 125 computers in under one roof, and 70 computers in another classrooms. So like that, we have the library, the computational facilities also, and which rich in practical mode. There we are having the life sciences for the geology, physics, chemistry, and life sciences. We are having the very good library lab facilities. You people can, those who are studying the life sciences can make use of that library facility, lab facilities also. We are ready to help all possible ways. Please contact us and come to that and get the help from us. So especially for your projects, and we are ready to help, and our faculty members are ready to help you to do the project and practical also. And for writing the assignments also, we are ready to help you. But it is whenever we are in the regular classes, we are not able to contact you. But when you have your missed calls, even in the evening or in the even in the night, we are ready to help you, or you can try to give you a message, because we created a group as per the direction from the director and the assistant director. We are created a group, WhatsApp group, LSC 2503. Our Prabhu, the assistant, he created a group. Even the present students today, they are we are creating a new group for them. You can join in the group and try to contact us through the WhatsApp group, and we will ready to answer for all your queries. Please make use of all the internet facilities, or in the WhatsApp facilities, or email facilities, which are given by our regional center and our study center. We are ready to render all the such help to you, and we ready to serve for you, even in the pandemic situation. We are having our dedicated director and dedicated assistant director on all the functionaries in the regional center. They are ready to help you. Please contact us. We will help. We'll do all such of help to pursue your higher education and pursue your. You can confidently and motivatedly pursue your higher education. So we are render all our service to you. Once you join, you have to get the degree or get the diploma or certificate course. That is mandatory. That is our aim, and you can also contact us to do that. Okay. So thank you very much, sir, for giving us such an opportunity to interact with our students. And thank you, director sir and assistant director sir, all the functionaries in the new centers. Thank you all students for that. My phone number and my email IDs are given in the regional centers. Just now is our ambulance are so all these contact details. Please contact us. We will try to help you. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for giving this such an opportunity, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for your nice, very encouraging words to us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
During this hectic situation. Now I request our respected Professor Dr. Suresh Frederick, coordinator from LSC 2504, Bishop Weber College, Trichy, to come online.
Greetings from Bishop Weber College, Study Center 2504. Revered Dr. Sharma sir, our director. Respected Dr. Anbalagan sir, our assistant director, and all the coordinators and my beloved students. Good afternoon, everyone. It's indeed a great pleasure and happy to be part of the induction program. You need to understand that induction program is now used in all the colleges, but IGNOU was the first institution to introduce this induction program. I'm really happy that we are part of this. And of course, as Professor Dr. Ilango has said, our college is also one of the premier institutions in Tamil Nadu, and we got 5-star in the beginning. Now we got 3.57, it is 58. It is equivalent to A++. And also we got NIRF ranking. Previously it was 4th rank. Now we have 37th rank. And also we got College of Excellence. All the best things are happening in the college, and the colleges which are part of IGNOU. I think you have made the right decision to join Indira Gandhi Open University, because you need to know that the material available is the best. And the workforce, the teaching force, you need to understand they are the best. And as rightly pointed out by our previous Professor Dr. Ilangovan sir, enough material is available. Teachers are also willing to help you. Kindly be part of this and make use of the provisions given by Indira Gandhi Open University. All the best to you. Thank you for the opportunity. Stay safe. All the best to you. Thank you. Thank you, sirs.
Thank you so much, sir, for your nice and very encouraging words and helping our learners in this current situation. We thank you for the coordinator as well as the LSC functionaries who are helping to all the learners, irrespective of their timings and place. We extend wholehearted thanks to you. Now I request Dr. Kadiroli, the coordinator from LSC 43078, Bond Secures College for Women, Tanjavur. Please come online.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Very good morning to the regional director and the assistant regional director, sir. It's a pleasure to join with you, and as you narrated in the session, we are also extend our credit to the students to follow the courses, and we also extend our counselors who are ready to give counseling to the students as well as the assignment plans, everything. And we wish the students to all the best. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam, for your nice words and coming online to address our students. Now I request Dr. Muruganandam, coordinator from LSC 43080, GTN College of Arts, Dindigul. Please come online.
Good afternoon, sir. It is audible, sir. It is audible, sir.
Yes. Continue.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to our ACD sir and Anbalagan sir and other IGNOU staff members and other our coordinators and students. My humble request, they were conducting index program for the academic year 2021 January. We are taking necessary steps to enroll the students above the 100. I thank to the coordinator sir for necessary. Thank to our ACD sir to take necessary steps for enroll a new enrollment of 103 on offline mode. I thank you, sir. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity to me. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Muruganandam. Now I request the assistant coordinator, Mr. John Bellaro Regan from LSC 43084, Sri Narayana Guru College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Please come online.
Sir, very good afternoon, sir, RD sir and assistant RD sir. With the LSC 43084 feels immense joy to welcome all the learners who have joined and enrolled in different programs, certificate and diploma programs at our LSC. And we are very happy to have you as the new learners for this Jan 2021 session. And we are very happy to contact you through mail and phone numbers and through WhatsApp groups. And we will always keep you updated all the necessary circulars that have been displayed even in the website, and also will be contacting you at regular intervals. And we have also given you guidance regarding submission of assignments and the extended dates and so on. And the academic councils are very eager to help you through academic counselings and regarding your assignment doubts and your project details, etc. And we are always doing the level best as per the guidance and support from the regional center Madurai. And thank you, RD sir and Assistant RD sir, for your fuller support for for the all undertakings taken by LSC 4084. And we assure you, sir, we will do our best to the learners, and we keep the rhythm of IGNO in their hearts. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Bellaro John Rehan from Study Center 43084. Now I request Dr. Geeta, coordinator of LSC 2502, GRD College of Science, Coimbatore. Please come online.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Director, sir. I'm happy to.
Good afternoon, madam.
Oh, good afternoon, sir. I'm happy to be a part of the induction program. I promise that I will extend my help to the students, the new learner. Sir, new learner, and also the students who have joined new. The help given to them will be provided and they can contact us. And these students, those are joined in GRD college. We have some of our students also have joined here. So surely we'll help all the students as we help in the college. Sir?
Please continue.
Okay, I have an interruption, sir. That's whether they are asking me some questions or not, I want to know. Oh, thank you, sir, for your support. Sir, I'm looking forward for your support, and everybody should give us a support so that we can upbring the center to a good extent, and students also will feel the needful to help the center and in their studies. We are ready to help the students, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for your nice
you.
words and coming online. Now I request our esteemed Dr. Sahul Hamid, coordinator of LSC 43086 from Gandhigram Rural Institute University, Gandhigram, Dindakal. I request you, sir, please come online and address.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Sir, continue.
Respected Regional Director, Dr. Sharma, sir. Respected Dr. Anbalagan, Assistant Regional Director, and other IGNO functionaries at Madurai region. We are happy that you are organizing induction program for freshers, those who are joined in January 2021 session. And they have been asking from the very first day about IGNO. I'm sure you have answered all of their questions and still many more doubts they have in mind with them. So at the outset and from Gandhigram, we thank you, Madurai Regional Center, for staying with us and encouraging our students to be part in the IGNO programs and clearing all our students doubt as well as helping us to function the LSC also. So whenever we have
Dr. Sahul, your voice is
Doubt,
not very much
or,
audible.
whenever we need support, we also get from you. And we like to have your cooperation very fast and responded very quickly. So you don't have to worry about your progress. Yes, sir.
Yeah, continue.
Sir, I think
Voice
it's a
is little bit-
network issue, sir.
Yeah.
Am I audible now, sir?
Yes.
Am I audible now, sir?
Yes, continue.
Okay. So learners, you will get all your materials, all your exam related updates from RC Madurai as well as from our center also. So anytime, anywhere, we are ready to help you and we are here for you. So you take it forward and you do the best you can with the IGNOU programs. I'm sure everything goes well. Wish you all the best, learners, and thank you for the Madurai Regional Center for giving us space and time for this interaction meeting.
Thank you, Dr. Sahul. Next, I request Dr. Hema Hambiga from the coordinator of LSC 2551. Dr. Hema Ambiga, are you there? I think there are also some net connectivity issues. The coordinator of LSC 2507, Dr. Veerabahu sir, if you're there, please come online. I think both has left due to poor net connectivity or some other issues. With this, almost all our coordinators has addressed the learners. Yeah, now I request Dr. Hema Ambiga, coordinator of LSC 2551, Sri Ramu College of Arts and Science, Pollachi, to come online.
Good afternoon, sir. Respected regional director, sir, assistant regional director, sir, and other LSC coordinators, as well as the fresh learners of January 2021 session, sir. So now only we, due to since the meeting has reached its limit, we were not able to join, and some of our students couldn't able to join this meeting, sir. Now only Asan sir asked me to come online, and now only I came to this meeting, sir. I think we have to make some other arrangements so that the students of our and missed out students can have some other dates regarding this induction. Is it possible, sir?
That we will be sending this recording by email to every student.
Okay,
they can
sir.
watch leisurely. There is no issue. Any query we will be getting through email.
Oh.
You also inform to your learners that they will
Yes.
be getting this recording by email. Huh?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
With this, almost we have come to an end. Now it is open for discussion with the learners. If you have any specific question, you can come online or write in the chat box. We'll be addressing one or two queries. Then we can conclude this session. But anytime we are available through email, and this some other alternative mechanism also we have evolved now, that through these applications we are always with you. But as a student, you need to come in front, otherwise we are unable to find your doubt or query. So our study center, the coordinators as well as the functionaries always there, but now there is no scope for face-to-face mode till the end of this pandemic. That's why we request everyone to kindly use online mode facilities for all types of communication. If you have any queries, we can address right now. If you have any queries, please come online. Okay. Thank you for everyone present here. Our esteemed regional director, the functionaries from the study center, the coordinators who are extending all types of support. Then our study center, the staffs from regional center, all the learners. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Dr. Anbalagan, for conducting this for nice program for more than 1.5 hours. We are
Anbalagan,
informed
sir.
with the help of our coordinators to all the students the modalities of learning in the distance education. Hope every student will utilize this opportunity. I remain here. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
There is
Thank you.
some-
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Dr. Sahul, any?
Yes, sir, and some queries in the chat box, sir. Will you able to see it?
Yeah, I checked everything and given the solution also there.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think recent ones, I thought you didn't see it.
Yeah, that we have addressed their queries.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
Students?
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Sir, for me, you said to mail in that RC Madurai mail, sir. I got only in Tamil, sir, books.
Madam,
What
the
can I do?
issue is, if you want to change the medium, there you need to pay the fees for the change of medium. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That you need to think whether you want to change or you want to continue with the same medium, everything, checking all these details in this regard. Okay.
Surely I want to change my medium.
If it's
from
so,
Tamil
you write an email. For what program you are?
CFN, sir.
Yeah. If it's so, you write the email with your enrollment number and program code. Our staff member will come to know then what is the feasible
Okay,
methodology.
sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Can I get that book into English, sir?
If you opted the English medium, you will receive only in English medium. If you
Okay,
opted Tamil medium, you will receive only in Tamil medium. This was the practice.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.